E a conferência de sede a iniciar esse ano aqui, onde a banda de Aruba, liderando de 38 outros países do mundo, para participar, para dialogar e para retornar de Isla Chiquito de Desarrollo.
Climate change, promoting sustainable development, and addressing vulnerabilities of seeds will demand partnerships, capacity building, and leadership. We need to transform our unsustainable consumption and production practice and patterns and our business as usual mindset. The diverse coalition of small island nations we call SEED lives on the front lines of climate change and sustainable development. They are also in the vanguard in pioneering solutions that the entire world needs.
Problems of our small islands will sooner rather than later impact every country, irrespective of level of development or prosperity. Clearly, we need to work together and partner with others to achieve our full potentials.
A major climate change conference that will take place in Paris in 2015. The curtain raiser on all this is the Climate Change Summit that will take place on September 23rd in New York. And here I would like to publicly thank our Secretary General for launching that initiative. It would be an opportunity for us to hear from leaders what they are prepared to do to address the problem of climate change.